Hey guys, this is Glenn Schweitzer Jr. with Regal Roofing and Siding. I wanted to share a program that we're launching right now called the Rapid Response Repair Program for our exterior services. And I wanted to share with you what it is and why we're doing it. This is a great program that we feel like is something that no other company in this area is really providing for you. It's a service that allows you as the client to get somebody out to your home much more quickly than the average time that you would take to have somebody come out, look at your repair, offer you a quote, accept it, schedule somebody to come out. We're going to skip all of that stuff, okay? So we have a $225 minimum charge, and I'm going to read to you exactly what's involved. This is the exact same thing that you would see on the website. We will investigate the nature of the service required and determine the proper course of action. A rough estimate of time to complete shall be provided verbally at this point to the client and sent via email. We'll provide 2 man-hours of labor plus the original trip time for the initial material run. Additional labor shall be provided at only $95 per man-hour to complete the repair and shall be due upon completion of the work. All required materials shall be billed over and above the actual service call and shall be due at the completion of the work. But again, you're going to get the verbal estimate of what that's going to take as soon as we come do the diagnostic. We'll clean up all work-related debris, haul everything away, and give you a 1-year labor workmanship guarantee on that. So the benefit of doing something like this is you get somebody out much more quickly. You've got somebody that you trust, great client reviews, great customer experiences, and we're able to get scheduled and get started right away. It's a reasonable rate. It's just like any other program. If you go get an automobile diagnosis, it's going to cost you however much to get the diagnosis done, and then if you do the work, it's included in the work. Same thing for us. We're going to provide those 2 hours. We're going to provide the initial diagnosis. We're going to give you what it's going to take to get it done, and we're going to do the work. And when we're done, you pay the remainder of the bill. But there's no other quicker way to make this work with a company that's reliable, Class A building contractor, and a reputable company like ours to be able to give you what you need when you need it as quickly as possible, because who wants a leak in their roof and have to go through all of the nonsense before you can actually get it fixed? We need to get it fixed right away, and Regal Roofing and Siding is prepared to do that for you. Click below, start the process, let us help.